Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today we're going to make our first label using the LW-K740PX. This is the label we're going to create. We're going to add a symbol, a column, adjust the font size and type, and we're going to adjust the label layout. So let's get started. We're going to start by turning the printer on. Your power button's here. Then we're going to add a symbol first. So we're going to go to the symbols library, which is the smiley face key here. Access that and browse to the symbol that you want to add to your label. When you find the symbol you want, press the return key to select it. Now that's on our label. Let's add a separate column. We're going to use the column button here, and being it's in yellow, we're going to use the yellow shift key to access it. So press and hold the shift key and hit the column button. Now you can see we've added a separate column on our label, so let's enter our text. Hit the return key to get it down to a second line of text. Perfect. Now we've got all of our text entered. We're going to go ahead and change the font size. The font size is this button here. You're going to press that button and you'll see a series of blocks on the label. Those are going to represent your text on the label. You'll notice for 2 lines of text, it's showing me I have 8 options. So as you scroll through the list, by just pressing that button consecutively, it'll scroll through your options. 1 of 8, 2 of 8, 3 of 8, etc. When you find the one you want, just simply stop on that one and it'll apply it to your label. Now let's change the font type. That's this button here, and again you're going to press the button consecutively to scroll through the list. Stop on the font that you want to apply to the label. Now let's edit the label layout. The layout feature is here in the edit menu. We're going to tap that button and then use the arrow keypad to go down to layout. Press return to enter the menu. And we're going to select to center the text. Again, press return to select center. It'll ask you where you want to apply this, and we want to apply it to the whole label. Perfect! Now we've created our label. Let's go ahead and push print. That's how easy it is to make a label on the LW-K740PX. If you have questions on this printer or want to chat about your labeling needs, give us a call. We would love to talk with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling!